Let me guess, you don't need another hustle. What you actually need is a steady stream of relocating leads coming to you without spending every waking hour figuring out YouTube, TikTok, or whatever platform just popped up this week. Because here's the truth. If you're spending more time editing your videos than serving your clients, something's broken. If you ever felt like content creation is this endless hungry monster eating up your time, and worse, you're not even sure if it's actually generating business, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to break down a plug-and-play system that helps relocation-focused realtors turn 1 hour of recording into an entire month of inbound leads. This is the exact process that we use with the agents that we coach. And the beauty of it is, it doesn't just make your content easier, it also turns your content into a lead machine that works for you 24/7, even when you're showing homes, writing offers, or heck, actually taking a weekend off. Stick with me, because once you see how simple this is, you'll wonder, why didn't I start this sooner? Here's the problem why most realtors feel stuck. Let's be real. Realtors already wear way too many hats. You're a marketer, a negotiator, a therapist. Sometimes you're even a moving coach. And then comes along YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. And they're each screaming, post more, go viral, be consistent. And here's what usually happens. You start with good intentions. Maybe you film a few videos. Then you run out of ideas, so you stop. Weeks later, you try again, but you're rusty and it feels a lot harder. And the editing, forget about it. YouTube tutorials make it sound easy, but the reality is hours of trimming clips, adding captions, finding music, making thumbnails, and posting the content, it's a lot. Meanwhile, you're asking yourself the same nagging question. Is this even working? That's the pain point I hear from agents over and over again. You don't mind working hard. You already do, but you don't want to waste time on something that might not move the needle. Here's the shift. You don't need to become a full-time YouTuber. You need a system that turns a single hour of focused effort into weeks of client-attracting content. Think about it like real estate investing. Some agents chase deals all day long. Others, they set up passive income streams where the money flows without constant grinding. Your content can work the same way. How? The 3-step relocation lead machine. Step 1, plug and play scripts. This is where things get easier. Most agents stall at the very beginning because they don't know what to talk about. You don't need to reinvent the wheel every week. You need topics that are proven to attract relocation clients. Imagine sitting down and already having a script that answers the exact questions people moving to your city are Googling. Clear talking points that make you sound like the authority. A structure so that you're not rambling. You're leading viewers from curiosity to trust. That's what the plug and play scripting does. It removes the blank page panic and sets you up to record confidently. Think about it. When you're helping a client from out of state, you don't just show up to the airport saying, what do you want to see? No, you already got a plan. Neighborhoods, schools, commute times, lifestyle. These scripts are that plan for your videos. Step 2, record once. Here's the part that agents love. You only need to record once a week. I have clients that record every other week. 1 hour, that's it. You set up your camera or even just your phone. You sit down with your script and you record your video. No pressure to be perfect. No marathon recording sessions, just one clean, focused hour. Here's a quick story. One of the agents that I work with dreaded filming. She thought that she would have to spend hours recording on a Saturday, and she was exhausted before she even started. Once we shifted to the 1 hour weekly model, everything changed. She felt fresher, her delivery improved. She actually looked forward to filming because it wasn't this massive time suck anymore. So now you're thinking, well, there's still the biggest step of all. Who's posting this? Am I? That's step 3. We handle the rest. This is where the lead machine really kicks in. After you record, we take over. We take care of the editing so that your videos look polished and professional. We'll take care of the posting so that SEO is optimized. When people type in moving to your city or cost of living in your city, your video pops up and not the agent down the street. We take care of creating short form clips for you so that your single video becomes 4 or more pieces of content for Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and all other platforms where your ideal clients are scrolling every night. So instead of one video buried in your hard drive, now you have a week's worth of content working across multiple platforms. And you, well, you're free. You're done in an hour. Back to your clients, your family, or your own sanity. We built this system specifically for relocation-focused realtors. Why? Because your clients aren't just choosing a house, they're choosing a city, a lifestyle, a future. And the way they research that decision, it's changed. Years ago, they may have relied on a relocation packet or even a brochure. Today, they're watching YouTube, they're scrolling TikTok, they're searching, is this city better than this city? Or what's the cost of living between this city and this city? When you're the one answering those questions on camera, you stop being just another realtor. You become the trusted local authority, the one they've already spent hours watching before they ever pick up the phone. And here's the thing, you didn't get there by burning out on daily posts. You got there because you had a system. The biggest shift I see in agents who use a system is mindset. They go from chasing leads to attracting them, from scrambling for ideas to knowing exactly what to film, from spending hours editing to focusing on clients while their content works in the background. One of my clients put it perfectly. She said, "It feels like my videos are my silent sales team. They're out there 24/7, introducing me to people I've never met, building trust before I even get on a call." And that's the power of the relocation lead machine. So let's bring this home. You don't need to post daily. You don't need to spend hours editing or even figuring out your own SEO. You need a system that gives you plug and play scripts so that you're never stuck, that lets you record once and be done, and handles the editing, posting, optimization, and repurposing of your content so that it shows up everywhere your relocation clients are looking. And that's what turns content from a time drain into a true lead machine. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start building your own relocation lead machine, click the link below to book a free strategy call today. Because the sooner you have a system, the sooner your clients start coming to you. We'll catch you on the next video.